Back to Performance RC, where I support on this channel TMR Performance, Alan Sestra, and Jeff from Eastside RC. Go check them out. I fully support those guys and what they're trying to do to this hobby. So this is the 32. This is just a quick little short intro to today's bashing. Ended quick, only about 15 minutes runtime. I ended up blowing one of the tires. They were going bald to begin with, and with the RPMs, it just completely just ripped, blew the foam right out, and destroyed the foam. So, but they were street tires. I was using them as street tires, so oh well. Got repairs to do, but just a quick little thing on this. Added a pull start. Shout out to Jeff, Eastside RC. Thanks, buddy, for sending me the link for this Cobra pull start. Awesome. Definitely going to get another one. And then I'm also running the tack. As you see in the quick video coming up, I got a max RPM of 14,400 RPMs. And I wasn't even on the throttle for more than maybe 2 seconds at the most at full. So more RPMs are definitely to come out of this. I'm running a... gearing is still 2054. I need to get a little bit bigger gearing, and I have the 10K spring from TMR. So the 10K spring was pretty cool running it in this modded 32 by TMR. So just a quick little intro. Hope you enjoy the rest of the videos. Thanks again, guys. 14,400 RPM, barely on the throttle for just a couple seconds. Shit. All right.